fun, as not really intense as our ambassador and influencer contest, but it should be fun. It's cool, and the best nails might win the full set of baby mixture. This one looks cool though. You can leave it alone like that, but it feels like so naked without nothing, right? Looks so cool.
Ooh, what you wanna do?
I'm doing nothing. I'm gonna do. He said I'm not gonna do anything. I'm doing nothing. I'm not do anything. Top out. Oh, maybe we should do.
Sparkly.
No, maybe we should do this and this. You know, we'll see how things go out. Let's see. It's really cool though. This 2, 3 acrylic charm. This is everything. I've been having so much fun with this. But the shape, green, it looks good. Look at that.
You think so?
Yeah, because it has green on it. Green, dark green. Look at that. I'm gonna mix Mika's kind of like, are you sure? Yeah. Look, Mika, you gotta trust your nail techs. If you don't, is this okay? Not a big deal.
Good night, Fire Goddess.
Bye, Fire. Thanks so much for tuning in. Oh my god, look at it. This is really cool though, even in 3D, but it has flat back. It's the sun. Stunning, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Super easy. I promise. Look. I'm looking for a bigger bead. Bigger, right there, right there. Is that broken? I need the pizza. There you go. Yeah. Not too small, not too big. It's cool though. Alright. Do precision glue in a little bit. To be honest, I don't want to cover that butterflies. Mika likes ready, like, oh, it's gonna be another centerpiece. I'm taking Mika to out of the box by putting these flowers on her nails. Hold on, there are a lot of crystals. It's cool when you do a freestyle. In there. This pumpkin spice is everything. So cool though. Really nice. That's butterflies.
Good night, Gorgessi.
Bye, go Jessie. Another butterflies right there. And now my beads can be in. I wish I have 10 nails on yours. Let's see. I've been using all the little one.
Yep, now you actually had 20 minutes left.
How do you know?
You're reaching 4 hours.
For real? Oh, good. On Instagram or Facebook?
Facebook.
Mika, this one's stunning.
Mm-hmm.
Mika, hold on to your breath. It's gonna come out. Cool.
Hey, China. Thanks for
Hey,
coming in.
China.
And it's all good. So this is the whole set. If you have some time, you want this done, taking a swing back. ACC, yes, I think Nancy bling out all the nails.
I like it so much. It's okay. Is Mika doesn't like it? It's not a big deal to me. It's not my nails though. She can have it all, or she doesn't have. She can't have anything. She said, "I'm taking it. I don't care." But you know what? Be honest, Mika. I never done it like this before.
I know,
So,
it's different.
so both of us experience is different.
Mm-hmm.
See, you never know until you do it.
That's
Just
right.
take a challenge of it and enjoy it and see how far you can go. Well, just in case the worst case, you can just take it off and redo that. Like remove each of them and then place them again, you know? All right, flats, just keep them flat. Like,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, freestyle.